Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a crispy honey pizza. It's almost as sweet as this guy. Almost.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
You've returned. Let's make a pizza. We're going to start by making a sauce. Let's get saucy.
Let's get saucy.
1 can of San Marzano tomatoes. Ooh, yeah. 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, pinch of red chili flakes, about 1 teaspoon of salt. Just to clarify, that salt is kosher. It looks like I put a lot, but it's not that much. I'm also gonna add in a bit of cracky Stevoo. Now let's get intimate. It's important to use your hands here because you want to transfer that love. Oop, we got a squirter. Don't say that. So it's totally up to you how much you break this up. If you like a thick sauce, then stop right away. If you want something less thick, then keep going. Just keep massaging it. Saucy bossy, complete. Onion, oop. Oh no, your skin. Little tiny dice of onions. This situation seems a bit dicey. Now we're gonna shred a bit of cheese. Shred your cheese. Shred some cheese. You're not supposed to see this part. Ooh, boy. Need a bit more. Just a little bit more. Perfect pile of cheese. For the crust, I'm gonna use pita bread because they're relatively low calorie. And that way I can eat 4 of these. Chad, pizza. So stupid. 1, 2, a little bit of sauce goes on. It's as much as you want or as little as you want, it's up to you. I like it saucy, so you know. Red onions. For the cheese, it's up to you. Put as much as you want. Cheese. 1 for you, 1 for me. Now we're gonna do little pepperonis. This will add a little pep in your step. This is the kind of pepperoni that turns into little cups when you cook it. Very delicious. Now toss this into a 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes-ish. Yes. And then you're left with this. Ooh, boy. We're not done yet though. There's still 1 delicious final ingredient. Now we're gonna drizzle a little bit of honey on top of this. Actually, we're gonna do it in slow-mo. Well, that was provocative. Shout out to my buddy Derek for the honey. Thanks, Derek. And now I eat you. Crispy and delicious. See that? No flop. I love pizza so much. It's so easy and so good. Bye, friends.